Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, doing a quick experiment, so I thought I would do a video. Anyway, this is that 1666 that arrived the other day. Thing is smoking like crazy, but I haven't added any smoke fluid to it. It just gets too concentrated in this room. Anyway, the experiment is I've taken two of those mechanical tinders and hooked them together. And want to see if this is going to increase the effectiveness or the loudness of it. No idea. I've never tried to do this. The way these are made, they're designed to be coupled with a drawbar. There is no coupler on the front. It's just a slot, really, in a metal tab. So I just used a wire tie for now, as you see. Anyway, so two mechanical tinders, both have new belts, both made out of rubber bands, of course. And just getting ready to take this around, so I thought I would document the video. Trying to find a speed that it runs at well. But as you can hear, it definitely made a difference. So an interesting experiment, if nothing else. Like I said, I've never done this before because there is no coupler on the front of that second tinder. But it definitely makes a difference. So anyway, just a quick experiment, so I thought I'd do a quick video. So both of these are mechanical tinders, as you see. And so you can run them in tandem. Just use a wire tie to tie it to the standard Lionel coupler. It works. Anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.